Live, this is One for the Record. I'm Diana, and today is April 23rd, 2012. It's Monday, and here's your update for today. First place I'm going to go to right now is the Extinction Protocol 2012, and we have here mass death of dolphins in Peru linked to viral infection. Ready? Also, 7 million bats die from WNS. We can't stop this thing, and it's marching across the country. Destructive snowstorm to rumble through U.S. Northeast. Loud boom over Northern California and Nevada, thought to be from Meteor. Iran to begin building copy of captured American surveillance drone. And again, Russian ships arriving in China for naval war games. So let's move on now. Let's go to the Watchers. I saw a couple things on there that was interesting. Moving on. Alright, let's tab down. Deadly mysterious disease claiming victims in Vietnam. See if I can tab down faster than this thing's moving. Okay. Dust seen over Russia. And that was from like a satellite view. It looks like snow almost. This one is, let's get rid of this so I can read it. Unusual magnetic changes in the sun. The North Pole of the sun had started flipping about a year earlier than expected. And I did look at Nibiru 2012's channel, and he was also stating that it seems like it's going to be like, instead of just having one North Pole and one South Pole, a Japanese scientist has claimed that it's going to be like multi-poles, like you might have at least two positives and two negatives, so there'll be like multi-North Poles and multi-South Poles. I wonder how that's going to affect us in the sun. It's going to do something, and it's going to happen in May. It's coming to us in May. So, heads up. Be on the lookout for some kind of real extreme weather or something. We'll see what happens. Lost Envisat spotted by another satellite. Earth Day time lapse. And then we have, yesterday was Earth Day 2012, Lyrid meteor shower. Didn't know if anyone was able to catch that yesterday, early this morning. I personally didn't see anything because a major storm came in where I was at. So, that is your news update for today, but stay tuned because now I'm investigating the strange sounds across the world, and I was able to find Paul Begley's channel and to mirror that, and it will show all the noises from across the world playing together, and it sounds like an orchestra of some sort with shofars. So I did do a compilation for you guys, so I usually do a thorough investigation. Also, I guess my rant from April 20th, somehow it ended up getting locked up. And now it's released to you, so please, please check out April 20th. It's not that long, there's 2 parts, and it's about 20 minutes long altogether. So, for both parts. So, please check that out. And, also check out the even the 20 seconds videos. Total total disclosure on UFOs. I really put together a big thing for you guys. So it's like UFO 101, UFO Alien 101. So those who want to know more about what's going on and get caught up, watch this video all the way through. I did a great compilation of a lot of things, the major things that most of the UFOers and researchers and MUFOners, they already know some of this, and there might be some stuff in there that you haven't seen that's edited in. So please watch that too, yesterday's video, and I'll catch you again tomorrow. It's one day down and 4 to go before the weekend. You have a wonderful, wonderful Monday. I am doing this a little early in the morning for you guys, so take care, and I'll see you again on the flip side. One for the record on the flip side. Ever wonder what the record is? It's a disc. Wonder what that means. You take care. Keep watching. Here we go. I just got to get back and stop this video. It kills me here. Let's see. Here we are. Now I can turn this off. And stay tuned. Don't go anywhere.
I have no idea. Like, it's coming straight out of the sky. What is that? This is for you YouTube people. You hear that?
feel that? Did you feel that? I can feel it. Yeah. It's like earlier. I don't know. But it sounds like it's like, I don't know. I can actually feel it vibrating. Really? It's like this hum. Yeah. You guys hear that too? What's going on? It's even got my rabbit standing up. Check them out. That's scary shit. Holy. It sounds like, oh no, in the sky, hard to see, really hard to see. They're fucking just all clouds too. ¿Qué es esa pinche madre? Oye, y está raro, man. ¿Qué es esa pincha? ¿Qué es esa pincha? La verdad. Esa pincha, man.
Un misterioso estruendo que muchas personas dijeron haber escuchado durante la madrugada de hoy se convirtió en el tema más comentado de las últimas horas en las redes sociales.
Sonidos muy similares a este son los que cientos de personas aseguran haber escuchado pasada la medianoche de este lunes. Durante la mañana, Facebook y Twitter se convirtieron en los lugares donde muchos quisieron encontrar respuesta a la pregunta, ¿habré sido solo yo? Los reportes de lugares como Tibás, Guadalupe, Curridabat, Romoser e incluso Heredia hicieron suponer que se trataba del juego de pólvora del cierre de los festejos en Zapote. Sin embargo, también abundan los comentarios de quienes aseguran haber escuchado los mismos estruendos en Pérez Celedón, San Carlos y hasta en Guanacaste. Por su parte, la Cruz Roja y los bomberos confirmaron a nuestro corresponsal Wilber Hernández que no atendieron ningún incidente relacionado con explosiones durante la madrugada. Uno de los principales temores en redes sociales es que se tratara de algún evento sísmico. Sin embargo, el Opsicori lo descarta de momento.
Sísmicamente no tenemos nada, los instrumentos no registran ninguna señal que coincida con estos ruidos. Sin embargo, en lo personal sí yo escuché como bombetas, como un juego pólvora. Ya si es de varios lugares del país, ya podríamos estar pensando en el ingreso de algún avión supersónico que rompa la barrera de la atmósfera y entonces genere ese tipo de ruidos.
Algunos a modo de broma y otros en serio comentaban en redes que se trataba de lo advertido por los mayas e incluso de señales del apocalipsis. Lo más curioso es que al parecer este fenómeno no es nuevo y no solo se registra en Costa Rica. Este video que circula en YouTube fue grabado supuestamente antes de un sismo en Colorado. En él se escuchan retumbos similares a los que se reportaron anoche. El programa español Cuarto Milenio también habla sobre el tema. De acuerdo con los especialistas, al sonido se le conoce como el hum o zumbido, y a la fecha no hay una explicación clara de qué se trata. Lo cierto es que a esta hora todavía muchos comentan los sonidos en las redes sociales. Trompetas, transformadores o algo más. Juzgue usted mismo.
Sounds like a horn.
Which is the first tekia, which is the awakening blast, or one long blast. That will be the shivering, which is the 3 staccato blasts. Now we're going to sound the Turua, which is to sound the alarm of approaching enemy, which is the 9 broken blasts. And the last one is the Tekia Gadola, which is the 1 long blast, which increases in loudness. Is the 1 extended blast.
Getting goosebumps because he's afraid there might be something biblical going on. Now, listen to this. This is Sean Fussell, who's a country music recording artist down in Texas. Listen to this. He put it all together in a 1-minute video. I mean, you could hear that boom of the bass drum, the beating of war. And Jennifer did some research on that bass drum, which is the beating for war, but also for the three different shofars that you can hear in that. Of course, she listened to it 25 times. Maybe you could do the same. The question is, are we hearing the voice of the coming of the Lord? Here's what the Bible says in Isaiah chapter 24, verse 16. Let me read a few verses. From the uttermost part of the earth have we heard songs, even glory to the righteous? But I said, my leanness, woe unto me. The treacherous dealers have dealt treacherously. The treacherous dealers have dealt treacherously. Fear and the pit and the snare are upon thee, O inhabitant of the earth. And it shall come to pass that he who fleeth from the noise or of the fear shall fall into the pit. And he that cometh up out of the midst of the pit shall be taken in the snare. For the windows from on high are open, and the foundations of the earth do shake. The earth is utterly broken down. The earth is clean dissolved. The earth is moved exceedingly. The earth shall reel to and fro like a drunkard, and shall be removed like a cottage, and the transgression thereof shall be